In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email templates in Pipedrive. Email templates are a great way to save time and keep your communication consistent, especially if you find yourself sending similar messages over and over again. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the fastest way to set up a template using the minimum number of clicks, so you can start using it right away in your daily workflow. First, open Pipedrive and look to the left-hand sidebar. Find the email icon there and click it. This will take you to your email section inside Pipedrive, where you can view, send, and organize your messages. Next, at the top left of the screen, click the Compose button. This opens a new email window, just like you're about to send a regular message. We're not going to send anything yet, but this is the space where we'll create the content for our new template. At the bottom of the email composer, you'll see a button labeled Templates. Go ahead and click that. This opens up the template options that Pipedrive provides, and this is where all your saved templates will live. From there, select Manage Templates. This is your main hub for creating, editing, and organizing your email templates. Once you're in the Manage area, click the option that says Plus Add New Template. This will start a brand new template from scratch. Now you'll see fields where you can define your template. Start by typing a clear template name. This name is just for you and your team, so make it descriptive enough that you'll recognize it quickly later. For example, something like Initial Outreach or Follow Up After Demo. Next, fill in the subject line. Remember, this is what your recipients will see in their inbox, so keep it relevant and engaging. You can use the same subject you'd normally type when sending that kind of email manually. Then, in the message area, write out the body of your email. This is where you add the actual content you want to reuse, your greeting, the main message, and your sign-off. You can also leave space or use placeholders where you'll personalize information later, such as names or specific details about a deal. Once everything looks good, click Save. Your new email template is now ready to use, and you'll be able to access it from the Templates button whenever you compose a new email in Pipedrive.